Welcome back to Auto Car Info, the channel where we explore the world's most advanced vehicles, futuristic machines, and luxury transportation concepts that are shaping the future of travel. Today we are taking a full look at the incredible 2026 new Motorhome, a futuristic masterpiece designed to completely transform road trips, camping, and luxury living on wheels. The 2026 new Motorhome is not just another RV. This is a next-generation smart home built for adventure, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. It combines luxury, power, sustainability, and futuristic design into one massive machine that looks ready for the future. Whether you love traveling across countries, exploring nature, or simply enjoying luxury living, this motorhome offers an experience unlike anything seen before. The exterior design immediately grabs attention. The body has been redesigned with sleek aerodynamic lines, futuristic LED lighting, and a modern luxury appearance that looks more like a concept vehicle than a traditional motorhome. The front features a sharp grille design combined with ultra-thin laser headlights that stretch across the body, creating a premium futuristic look day and night. Massive panoramic windows cover the sides, allowing passengers to enjoy breathtaking views during travel. Hidden door handles, smooth body panels, and active aerodynamic systems improve efficiency while keeping the design elegant and modern. Large alloy wheels and adaptive suspension systems give the vehicle a strong road presence while ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. As the doors open automatically, the interior reveals a completely different level of luxury and technology. The cabin feels more like a five-star apartment than a motorhome. Premium leather seats, handcrafted wood finishes, soft ambient lighting, and modern digital displays create a calm and luxurious atmosphere. The living area is incredibly spacious thanks to expandable slide-out sections that increase interior space with the touch of a button. Large reclining seats face a giant 8K entertainment screen that rises smoothly from hidden compartments. The sound system delivers cinema-quality audio throughout the cabin, making every movie, song, or game feel immersive and powerful. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 new motorhome is its smart technology system. Artificial intelligence controls nearly every feature inside the vehicle. Owners can adjust lighting, temperature, curtains, entertainment, security, and even kitchen functions using voice commands or smartphone controls. The AI system also learns user habits over time, automatically creating personalized comfort settings. The kitchen area is modern and beautifully designed. It includes smart appliances, touch-sensitive cooking surfaces, a luxury coffee machine, hidden storage compartments, and a full-size refrigerator. Marble countertops and premium materials give the space an elegant appearance while maintaining practicality for long road trips. The dining area transforms automatically depending on passenger needs. Tables can extend or retract, seats rotate smoothly, and hidden lighting creates the perfect atmosphere for family dinners or business meetings. Large panoramic windows provide beautiful outdoor views while dining inside the comfort of the motorhome. The bedroom inside this futuristic RV is designed for ultimate comfort and relaxation. A king-size smart bed automatically adjusts firmness and support levels based on body movement. Surrounding LED lighting changes color and brightness depending on mood settings. Large windows with privacy glass allow passengers to enjoy outdoor scenery while maintaining complete comfort. Storage space inside the bedroom is also impressive. Hidden closets, automated drawers, and under-bed compartments provide plenty of room for clothing, travel equipment, and personal items. Every inch of space is carefully designed to maximize comfort and convenience. The bathroom feels like a luxury spa. Heated floors, rainfall showers, touch-free controls, illuminated mirrors, and advanced water recycling systems make this one of the most advanced RV bathrooms ever created. Premium materials and modern design details create a relaxing atmosphere that feels far beyond traditional motorhome standards. But this motorhome is not only about luxury. It also delivers powerful performance and advanced engineering. The 2026 new motorhome is powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain combining a powerful turbocharged engine with multiple electric motors. This setup provides strong acceleration, smooth driving, and better fuel efficiency compared to older RV models. The electric driving mode allows silent operation during city driving or camping areas, while the gasoline engine provides extra power for long-distance travel and mountain roads. Regenerative braking systems help recharge the batteries during driving, improving efficiency and reducing energy waste. Driving such a large vehicle has become much easier thanks to advanced